In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an advanced search on LinkedIn. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to expand your network or someone searching for new job opportunities, mastering LinkedIn's advanced search functionality can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. If you haven't already done so, take a moment to log into your LinkedIn account. Signing in is straightforward, and you have several options: Google, Microsoft, or your email address and password. Keep in mind, if you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity with a code that will be sent to your phone. It's a quick process that helps keep your account secure, so make sure your phone is nearby. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Jobs tab, located on the top navigation bar. Clicking on it will launch your search journey. When you land in the Jobs section, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you enter your search terms. Think carefully about what you're specifically looking for. Are you searching for job titles, specific skills, or perhaps particular company names? Enter those terms and press enter. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a list of search results. To refine these results for obtaining more specific matches, look for an option labeled All Filters. It's typically positioned at the top of the search results page. Clicking on this option will unveil a multitude of filters designed to refine your search further. This is where the true power of LinkedIn's advanced search comes into play. You'll have access to various filters such as location, company size, industry, and many more. Select the criteria that are most relevant to your needs. For example, if you're looking for a project management position in a tech company within a particular city, you can tailor your search results to exactly match these specifications. Once you apply these filters, LinkedIn will sort your results by keyword relevance, ensuring you see the most pertinent opportunities or connections first. This is an efficient way to narrow down the vast ocean of profiles and postings to a more manageable list. And there you have it, how to effectively navigate LinkedIn's advanced search functionality in just a few minutes. Practice using different combinations of filters and keywords to find the optimal results for your needs. This approach can significantly enhance your networking and job searching capabilities, ultimately propelling you closer to your professional goals. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your LinkedIn explorations.